Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Good morning. What just happened yesterday? Crypto is in a bit of a chaotic state right now. Before we start, check out these personal step-by-step guides if you want to make the most profit from your investments. Link to both of them is in the description. Market overview. The current pullback in crypto markets is seen as part of a controlled consolidation, not a full-blown crash. Bitcoin is bouncing off key support levels, 50 simple/50 exponential moving averages and a horizontal support zone. Potential downside. If support breaks, Bitcoin could drop to around $93,000, possibly $91,000 to $92,000 depending on how fast the move happens. However, this is not the expected scenario at this point. Ethereum analysis. Ethereum is at the bottom of its current range. A golden cross retest on the 4-hour chart suggests a potential bounce or even reversal. On higher timeframes, daily/weekly, Ethereum remains technically healthy. Despite touching on death cross territory, it's showing signs of resilience. Stock market influence. Stocks have not reacted heavily yet, but there's potential for more downside. A stock market drop could drag crypto lower. Geopolitical uncertainty. The global politics right now are more volatile than crypto itself and have more influence on the price than the charts. Two possible outcomes: a major downturn if leadership collapses, a flood of money into markets, causing short-term pumps but long-term damage. Personal outlook. Nevertheless, I am still bullish and sticking to the original thesis that total crypto market cap minus BTC, will make higher highs this year. Current dips are seen as buying opportunities for spot positions, particularly in select altcoins. While not every coin is worth adding, many are still in accumulation zones. Final thought. Despite short-term volatility and external chaos, I am technically bullish and view current market action as part of a healthy consolidation, expecting upside later in the year.
If you need a more detailed analysis with a step-by-step guide, check out these programs. Link in the description. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment.
Number 10. Mooting. Price, 19 cents. Market cap, $190.79 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $82.23 million. Total supply, 989.97 million. Circulating supply, 989.97 million. Number 9. ASM. Price, $0.024. Market cap, $36.48 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $13.33 million. Total supply, 3 billion. Circulating supply, 1.5 billion. Number 8. Chill Guy. Price, $0.062. Market cap, $62.05 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $67.22 million. Total supply, 999.95 million. Circulating supply, 999.95 million. Number 7. Floki. Price, $0.000083. Market cap, $794.87 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $123.18 million. Total supply, 9.66 trillion. Circulating supply, 9.62 trillion. Number 6. PNG. Price, 16 cents. Market cap, $34.46 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $1.01 million. Total supply, 230 million. Circulating supply, 220.37 million. Number 5. Ape. Price, 73 cents. Market cap, $551.32 million. Trading volume, 24-hour $75.55 million. Total supply, 1 billion. Circulating supply, $752.65 million. Number 4. Comp. Price, $48.93. Market cap, $444.44 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $143.56 million. Total supply, 10 million. Circulating supply, 9.08 million. Number 3. Ethereum. Ethereum is a good investment for the short term. If the altcoin season finally happens, Ethereum would be in the front, leading other altcoins. And if you are looking for a long-term investment, Ethereum seems kind of risky, and I would suggest waiting until the end of the year for a possible low. Price, $2,456.18. Market cap, $296.42 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $27.82 billion. Total supply, 120.72 million. Circulating supply, 120.72 million. Number 2. XRP. XRP has a very good setup for a bullish run. It just needs to break past the $2.50 resistance. Also, as all other altcoins, XRP needs a favorable position from Bitcoin and stocks. Price, $2.13. Market cap, $125.22 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $3.47 billion. Total supply, 99.98 billion. Circulating supply, 58.75 billion. And number 1, of course, Algorand. In my opinion, this coin is one of the best risk to reward ratio investments. Of course, it needs to be monitored to keep the risk at minimum, but with the current setup, it could reach even beyond its all-time high, which would be more than 10x from now. Algorand is associated with XRP and usually moves very similarly, but since it has a lower market cap, it offers bigger gains. So if XRP manages to go over the $2.50 resistance, it could result in a very rapid growth for Algorand as well. Price, 19 cents. Market cap, $1.59 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $81.04 million. Total supply, 10 billion. Circulating supply, 8.61 billion. Right, that'll be it for me. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.